Sammy, we're back at the Royal Queensland Awards, and this week is all about spirit judging, and in honour of that, I'm going to see if I can guess which spirits are which without looking at them. And I've got Sami'S wrapped in tinfoil. Oh dear. Oh gosh, okay. Ooh, that smells like rum. Oh, is it rum?
Not rum.
Number 2? Okay, this has got to be rum. Hello, that is rum.
That is rum.
Yes! Spirit number 3. Ooh, smells very botany. It's a gin. Pink gin. Thank you. Oh, that's clear gin, isn't it? That's gin. I don't even have to taste that. And clear gin, isn't it?
That is clear gin.
Ooh, that's whiskey.
It is.
Yeah. Damn, I normally don't like whiskey, but that's really good. Stay tuned for more RQA spirit content throughout the week, but for now, we'll see you later.